Okay, bro, I've got something I know you've been waiting for.
Oh, is it the giant moon rock that I've asked you for ages?
No, that may be a bit delayed, but it's something more exciting. It's the all-new Pixel Tablet.
Well, this is still out of this world to me. Come on then, let's see. Open it up.
Oh, look at this amazing 11-inch screen. No more squinting at tiny videos for me.
Okay, stop hogging it then. What else is in the box?
Well, we also have the quick start guide and the safety and warranty booklet. Ooh, check out the charging speaker dock. Oh, it looks amazing.
Very nice.
And finally, we have the power adapter with its 1-meter cable.
That's a lot of useful stuff in one box.
I know, right? Now, let's take a look at the Pixel tablet itself.
Well, with Chromecast built in, you can easily cast content from your mobile phone to your docked tablet.
That's great, right? And Pixel tablet also gives you the purest Android experience on a tablet engineered by Google.
This means that you can benefit from smooth integration with other Pixel and Android devices. And with Android 13, your favorite apps are optimized for the larger screen.
That's right. And of course, you can't forget that the Pixel tablet is a truly multifunctional device.
Yes, the charging speaker dock makes it useful 24/7, even when it's not in your hands, such as for listening to music. It seamlessly transitions between a smart display and a big screen tablet that you can use in any room.
Now, let's get this set up and docked so we can video call the other trainers.
Yes, fantastic idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos coming soon on Pixel Tablet.